Hey guys, welcome back to the Delve Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix connection not secure Firefox. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do is just simply try to go to a private tab. So you could do that by selecting the three lines on the top right corner. I should be able to see here new private window. So when you go for the private window, guys, it will be a fresh Firefox and there will be no extensions, and sometimes this fix the issue. Now another option is you could go ahead and go to your settings into your computer or PC, and then over here you could just make sure you have the time and date accurate. So sometimes if your time and date is not accurate, it will have those issues. So making your time or set it to automatic so you won't have any issue. Now guys, if it still doesn't work out, another option is select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then here you could just simply go for the settings, and then you could go ahead and go for the privacy and security on the left side and go for the clear browsing data over here. So sometimes clearing your browsing data, cookies inside cache, and the cache files can fix the issue. From here, you will have multiple options, but if you want to completely reset it, you could go for everything and select clear over here down below. And there you go. I hope these three solutions help you out. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.